Hello! The first ever manned mission to land on the moon successfully took place on July 20, 1969. Astronaut Buzz Aldrin is seen here next to the American flag. His footprints are still found on the moon to this day. Now, almost 46 years later, on July 15, 2015, NASA space probe, Horizon, successfully completed its 9.5-year mission to take the very first images of Pluto. Let's follow astronaut Morty as she shares with you about the journey of Pluto.
The journey of Pluto. In 1930, CLYDIE, a U.S. astronomer, discovered the tiny planet of Pluto. A little girl named Venetia helped name the planet from England. In August 2006, the International Astronomical Union redefined Pluto as a dwarf planet. They voted that a planet needs to be round, it needs to have enough gravity and mass to make a planet round, it must orbit the sun, and it must be a primary planet. Why? Astronomers found 1,000 like Pluto-sized planets in the Kuiper Belt. The largest objects in the Kuiper Belt are called dwarf planets. Pluto happens to have CHARON and 4 other irregular-shaped moons left over from a giant impact from a very long time ago. Pluto is the last of the unexplored world in our solar system. The first images of Pluto was taken from the Hubble telescope. The images were taken 3 billion miles away. The New Horizon probe was launched in January of 2006. It took 9.5 years to reach Pluto. When Horizon reaches Pluto, it will only have 2 hours to take photos and measurements. Horizon travels 9 miles per second and is unable to land. Pluto is one of the coldest places at -390 degrees Fahrenheit. The planet is made up of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. It has ice caps made up of these gases. Scientists believe the sun heats the methane, nitrogen, or CO2 ice and turns into a gas and enters the atmosphere. Scientists also believe Pluto has weather. The clouds may form and you can see snow or ice. Pluto's largest moon, CHARON, is half the size of Pluto. TOMBOW died in 1997, but his ashes are on the New Horizon for him to meet his discovery.
This concludes the latest findings about Pluto. I'm sure this is only the beginning to what we can learn about Pluto. Astronaut Morting is signing off.